Hey there guys, this is Phone Tech Kid, and today I'm going to be talking about why you should root your Android. Okay, so let's get started. The first reason why you should root your Android device is custom ROMs. So as you probably know, the Galaxy S3 comes installed with TouchWiz Jelly Bean. So you just get TouchWiz, and if you look closely, I have stock UI right here. And you ask why? Well, that's called custom ROM. So basically, I'm able to install any other ROMs that are out for my specific device. There are custom ROMs that give you TouchWiz but give you a better experience, like little tweaks, battery tweaks, maybe some music tweaks to make your music sound better. And then there's AOSP tweaks, which make you have an experience that your device cannot have any other way. Basically, you install a completely different OS. This is stock Android. As you can see, if we go into settings, you could tell that I have Android 4.2.2, and that has not been released for the Galaxy S3 yet. And right now, they're only showing leaks of it to come to the international Galaxy S3. And we know by the time it hits the shores to get AT&T and all that stuff, that's going to be a couple of months. So, I mean, why wait forever if you could get it now? So, another thing that, number 2 on the list, is going to be Attaway. That's exactly what it says. Your phone, Android especially, has a lot of ads. When you get free apps, they're filled with ads, free games, and they annoy the hell out of me, and they probably annoy the hell out of you too. So why not get rid of all those ads? Well, with some simple apps like Attaway, you just open it up, you click download files and apply ad blocking. It'll take a minute to download. And then you just click apply to reboot it. And in those easy steps, right there, you are not going to have an ad. So apps like those, you update them. Every once in a while you want to go back into that app and check for an update. There you'll be able to update it, and whichever new ads that came up onto your device will be gone. Another cool thing about custom ROMs is you get custom boot animations. So check out this boot animation. A lot nicer than the normal Samsung boot animation, which is boring. I mean, of course, there you'll only stay for a while. Another thing that you notice, I have the Android 4.2 lock screen. So you get widgets on your lock screen. That is also part of custom ROMs. Moving on to number 3. Now bear with me, this is going to be a little bit confusing, but it's called custom ROMs. Basically what a custom ROM is, not custom ROM, a custom kernel. Basically what a custom kernel is it's a different kernel that you install on your device to control your processor. So basically you could overclock, you could underclock, and with both of those ways you could get better battery life and you could get much better performance. So different ROMs that we talked before come with kernels, and you could always install a different kernel using that app, or using an app, but it always has to be for your specific device. So for example, if we go into app that allows you to change your performance, you could go through here, you could overclock, you could underclock, and you could basically do all this stuff right here that will give you a better battery experience and make your device run faster. So that's a really awesome thing that you could do, but you have to be very careful because you could always break your device. And the final app that I'm going to be showing, and the final thing that I think you should root, is Titanium Backup. So basically what this app lets you do is it lets you back up your device. And basically what it kind of means is you could back up your device here, and if you were to get a new device and root it, and you're signed into your Gmail, apparently you can restore it to that phone. Also, whenever you're flashing a kernel or a ROM, mostly a ROM, you're going to have to wipe all your data. So you're going to lose all your data, your contacts, all that stuff. So once you're finally rooted, you want to back up with Titanium Backup. And that way, you will, whenever you install a new ROM, with just a couple of clicks, then you'll have all your apps back, all your game progress back, and everything will be back. That's another great thing about rooting. And then, of course, there are some bad things about rooting. You do have the possibilities to brick your phone, and there's a lot of other ones too. But what I've noticed is if you be careful and you read before you do something, I guarantee that you will be fine. The first time I rooted my Galaxy S3, I didn't pay attention. I installed a ROM that was for international Galaxy S3, and then I had to go to AT&T, act stupid, and they gave me a new one. It's not fun, I can tell you that for sure. And basically, after that, when I got my new Galaxy S3 and decided to root it again, I read everything now before I try it. You have to be very careful. And I think I flashed about 80 ROMs on my Galaxy S3, and not once have I had a feeling or a problem where my phone was about to break or I thought it was broken. If you're careful, nothing will happen that's wrong. So, where do you get these ROMs and kernels, you ask? This app, XDA Premium, which I have reviewed before, you install from the Play Store. Basically, you could go through forums and choose your device, and then it'll have all the custom ROMs and kernels for your device, and you'll be able to see all of them for your specific device, and they'll all be in one place. Also, if you want to root your device, and I convinced you, then just go onto Google, search up online how to root your specific device. So let's say you have a AT&T Galaxy S3, you're going to search how to root the AT&T Galaxy S3. And make sure it's not one that's really, really old. Try to find one that's more recent. And I guarantee you'll be fine rooting. Most of the methods are really easy. But it has to be for your AT&T Galaxy S3. If you have a Verizon Droid DNA, it has to be for your Verizon Droid DNA. If you have a Sprint Galaxy Note 2, it has to be for your Sprint Galaxy Note 2. So I hope you understand, because that is really important, because that could definitely brick your device if you install the wrong thing. So I hope I convinced you in this video on why you should root your device. So go search it up, go do it, and then come back here and tell me what you've done with your device, what you have running on it, if you have any problems, and if everything works for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe. Also check out my website, www.phonetechkid.com, and follow me on Twitter at PhoneTechKid, and like me on Facebook, PhoneTechKid, or follow me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.